And the best part about this is you can totally customize this jacket and the bag with your logo and design. Oh, you didn't know this was also a bag? Stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product worth the investment or not. And today I have an absolute gem for you guys. So in this video, I'll be featuring the Quikflip 2-in-1 reversible backpack hoodie that was presented on Shark Tank in 2019. Now this one is called the Full Zip Hero Light because it is a lighter material, but they do have another version that's a heavier material for colder months. Now the other options available are the rain jacket, the windbreaker, and even the pullover hoodie, and they also have the Full Zip Hero hoodie in the kid sizes. And the best part about this is you can totally customize this jacket and the bag with your logo and design. Oh, you didn't know this was also a bag? Stay tuned for that. But before we get started, let's make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new products that I may review that may be of interest to you. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful to you, I would totally appreciate a thumbs up. As always, be sure to check the description box below for links to purchase, time codes, key tips, and other helpful information that I'm sure will be of interest to you. But for now, let's get on to the demonstration. All right, so just to give you a few details about this jacket, I mean, off the bat, the material is absolutely amazing. I mean, the fleece material inside is so soft. It's like baby lamb chop soft. It's amazing. Also, this is a unisex fit and it fits true to size. I'm 5'7", I weigh 145 pounds, and I purchased a small. All right, so now onto how this works. You're out and about, you got your jacket on. Of course, it gets hot, so take your jacket off. Now, as you can see, there's a built-in bag, and it's specifically designed so that when you're wearing it, neither the bag nor the drawstring is visible when you're wearing it as a jacket. So as you can see here in the inside of the jacket, there's an opening at the bottom, so you just turn it upside down. Reach inside of this opening and literally just pull all the elements through, stuff in the rest of it, and now it's a bag. And as you can see, I was able to customize the bag portion with my logo. Shout out to Phil at the design shop located in New Britain, Connecticut. And what I love is this drapes perfectly on your back. So then, once it gets chilly again, it takes 2 seconds to revert it back into a jacket. Open the opening, pull the content through, shake it up, and you have your jacket. This makes for such a great gift, and it is perfect for multiple outings. I mean, we're entering these summer months, and this is a must-have for your beach outings. I mean, this has literally become my favorite and most comfortable jacket, and I possibly might get it in all colors. Might as well. All right, guys, so let me know if you have any questions about the reversible backpack hoodie, or if you own one. I would love to know what you think about it. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoy the content of this channel, As Seen by SB, where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not, the 2-in-1 Quikflip reversible backpack hoodie is definitely SB approved. Make sure you like and subscribe, but until next time, stay comfy and get you a hoodie.